Ladies and gentlemen.
In Hollywood tonight.
Voodoo economics.
In Hollywood tonight. Hollywood.
Police dodge bricks and bottles. You can hear them crashing on the sidewalk. Officers beating and kicking a man on the street.
We just trying to get it together to keep the police off our back, man.
The suspect reportedly pulled out a 25-caliber automatic handgun and shot the victim in the shoulder. Shot the victim in the shoulder.